Hey, what's going on, everyone? Jonathan Davis here with Davis AutoSports on the fifth and final installment of a 5-video series on our restored 91 RAMCHARGER. Please make sure to view the 4 previous videos that we created that just really show day 1 of the build. They go through a lot of detail of everything that we did, from the tedious and time-consuming paint and body that we did on this. We stripped this thing down to metal, sealed it, primed it, blocked it, base coated it, clear coated it. We spent a ton of work on the body. Same thing with the interior. We completely stripped down the entire interior. And this by no means is a fully nut and bolt restoration. We didn't want to create a $70,000, $100,000 truck here. We really wanted a truck that can be driven, appreciated, loved. You still take pride in owning it. And that's what we accomplished with this truck. Just a beautiful truck. We did all the important things, all the important cosmetic, important mechanical things, and the truck just came out absolutely beautiful. A lot of custom touches. We tried to stay true to the era of the truck. We weren't looking to modernize it too much. On some of our restorations, we go the more modern theme, and we just wanted to stay true and classy. So this was a timeless build here. And simple, nice, clean 33-inch tire, 3.5-inch suspension lift, and spent a lot of time on the interior. It was gutted for the most part. Dash stayed in place, but everything else came out. Dyno mat interior, carpet, seats, everything were redone. And like I said, please make sure to check out the previous 4 videos. Over 20 minutes of footage and me going through different stages of the process, as this was roughly about a 10-month build. You see this thing going down the road, just looks, sounds beautiful as it should. True American classic. And like I said, our goal was just to keep this thing simple, clean, and we hope we accomplish that. Hey, what's going on, everyone? We'll go ahead and do the drivability portion right now. Let you guys hear the exterior exhaust note. Very cold day here in Richmond, Virginia. That's not smoke coming out of the exhaust. Also want to let you guys know we have a lot of loose items in here. Empty cans, cameras, lenses, keys, lug nut key, all that. So you may hear some rattling during the driving portion. Brand new, short, real clean antenna right there. When we decided to do this truck, obviously we wanted to make it a very nice, clean truck, but our goal was not to make a show truck. It was to do everything to make it a nice, clean, drivable, respectable truck that was fully serviced, obviously cosmetically great looking. There are many parts on here as far as the interior goes that are original. We didn't want to go overboard and turn it into just a crazy expensive truck. Truck drives phenomenal. Engine's got plenty of power. Sounds great with the full headers, downpipe, high flow cats, Flowmaster dual exhaust. Shocks that we have on here, they are the RS 9000 series. They are fully adjustable. They are the best shocks that you can possibly buy. Everything that will improve the drivability on this truck has been done for a full brake system, suspension system, steering parts. For one of these trucks, especially a lifted one, it drives as good as you're going to experience with one of these. Heat works great as it should. We have a brand new AC compressor, so the AC works great as well. The full exhaust system gives it a nice rumble. Nice thing about it, at mid RPMs, there's no drone whatsoever. Take a look at the beautiful paint on the hood. We are located here at Richmond International Airport. If you guys are interested in flying in to pick this truck and drive it home, this is an absolute drive anywhere sort of truck. We also ship out anywhere from 25 to 30 cars a month all over the country. General prices, these will be determined by city, of course, but generally Florida is going to be anywhere from $400 to $500, Texas $700 to $800, California $700 to $1,400. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to contact us directly at 855-955-3377. Thank you.